Let's see if the stock market is rebounding today after the drop that we had yesterday. Let's look at Tesla, the stock indices, gold, silver, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So Tesla is up $5.60, 0.29% up, closed at 438.69. And let's take a look at what all of these numbers mean. So this is where we are right now. We have a long wick at the bottom. This is a green candle. We closed a little bit higher than where we opened today. But in terms of the overall pattern, we are still into our congestion zone. So we have adjusted the lines a little bit. So 452.91 is the top part of the congestion zone. And the bottom of the congestion zone is still 415.47. So Tesla is into a congestion zone. If it breaks 452.91, this is a buy. If it goes lower than 415.47, after clearing this support right here, this is a sell. So we are just waiting for Tesla to make a move. Right now, what is happening between these two numbers that I just named is just noise. It is just noise. If you want to play on the 1 hour chart, if you want to day trade a little bit, we are into this second part of the bullish channel. You see here, boom, we are bouncing on it. Boom, we are bouncing on it. And we were making a little bit of a top at 430.67 right here. Little bit of a top. That making higher lows. Then boom, we have a little bit tiny breakout right here. We closed above 436.67. This is a breakout, but this is a breakout without stochastic over 60, without our DMI, without our reversal indicator. So yes, it is a breakout from the sense that the price has broken above 436.67. It has not launched yet. And because we don't have stochastic over 60, this is a little bit more risky. It could work. It could still work and go up to 452 maybe. This is where we can see it go. And this is pretty weak. On the daily chart, our technical indicators are still good. We have stochastic over 60, we have DMI, and we have our reversal indicator that is bullish. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. VIX, we want the VIX to go down. So VIX 1629, it is down 0.94. Now we are starting to talk. 546% down. With this candle today, we are officially, it's only one candle. Let's hope that we are going to get another tomorrow, but we are officially outside of our bullish channel. This is the bullish channel. We are outside of it, so we hope to continue outside of it, and we hope that we are going to break lower than 1595. If this happens, then things are going to shoot off. This is going to be very pretty. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, a little bit disappointing. We are down 1.2. So, we have been down for the past 3 days. SPX, better day today. So going on the 1 hour chart. So after the move down that we had yesterday, which was not a dramatic move, we still have support at 66.99. Today, we started the day going higher. We started the day going higher, and look at how we are slowing down right here because we have a high right here. We have a high from yesterday at 9:30, a high at 67.54.49, and this is what we need to break. So look at how we are coming very close to breaking it right here. If we have a move like this tomorrow, this is going to help everybody. Nasdaq, look at this, Nasdaq. Look at all of these green candles. This is very nice to see. Russell, look at this, broke above 24.82. Very nice move up right here. So this is an indication that Russell wants to continue. Let's take a look at the heat map of the market. Wow, very nice. Finance, not so good. Health technologies, mixed result. Consumer non-durables, pretty bad. Consumer services, pretty bad. Energy, minerals, not too good. Process industries, not too good. But the rest, retail, technology services, electronic technology, producer, manufacturing, health services, transportation, utilities are doing pretty good. Now let's take a look at gold and silver. Look at this, gold continuing higher on the tear. Silver had a pullback yesterday. Now we are having a good day, up 2%. I don't really like this red candle. I'm going to be honest with this, but it's still going higher. Cannot complain about that. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is fighting hard for 123, 195. We broke it on Monday. This was fantastic. Yesterday, moved down. Today, we have reclaimed it. So the fight is really on. We have sellers that are selling, and we don't have enough. We don't have many buyers. Let's hope that buyers are going to come in a little bit stronger to push this where to right here, bullish channel resistance. This is the bullish channel support. So we should be going up to 130. So 130 is the target right now. Ethereum was down yesterday. Right now, we are recovering above 44.91. Not super strong again. BMNR, after the move down that we had yesterday, is starting very shallowly starting to recover. Our technical indicators have not recovered yet, so no stochastic over 60. There's still an element of risk right here. Maybe within a day or two, if things at least stay level or go a little bit higher, we are going to recover our technical indicator, which is going to give us some confidence that things are really want to pick up. And hopefully we are starting to gain back 60.72. Just a lukewarm day for Tesla. We are going to have very soon the earnings call. The earnings call is going to happen October 22nd. So maybe things are going to pick up at this point. We are into this bullish channel on the daily chart right here. As I said, we are on this upper side of the bullish channel. Now we are moving on to the, and right now we are moving away from that second lane and into the first lane. So we could be going sideways until the earnings, which would mean until the earnings right here. So that's not impossible that we just stay there. And then depending on the perception of what is going to be mentioned, the earnings, we could be breaking above 452 for another try to 467, or we could be falling back to 415.47. And if we break that number, 415.47, then we could be going back down to 372. So stay tuned. We are going to be here to watch this as it happens. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.